What? Too afraid? You shot me!
Nice outfit, dude.
Thanks. Made it myself. Great. Another bank robber wearing green. These guys make me want to create a green suit for myself.
Remember me?
You look familiar. Flint Marco, right? Of course I remember you. You're the sloppiest bank robber I fought.
You remembered. How nice of you. But that's not my name. Not anymore. I got an upgrade. Call me Sandman. My money!
It's not yours. Okay, Sandman. Time to go back to jail. What the?
Nice try. But spider tricks don't work on the Sandman. Let's see if sand tricks work on the Spider-Man.
Nice upgrade. Great. Another bank robber wearing green. With a superpower. He probably has a weak point somewhere inside his body. No weak points.
Stay down! Should have stayed down. Now I have to end you.
Web shears aren't working against him. Engaging him in hand-to-hand combat is useless. Need to find another way to defeat him.
You won't be able to stop me if you don't hit me. Are you gonna run all day?
You know, this reminds me of a game I used to play when I was a kid. The rule's simple. If my foot touched the floor, then I'm dead.
In this game, the floor punches you. Splat! It's over, Spider-Man. When you're the only one with powers, you had me beat. But now, King Sandman reigns supreme. How can you possibly stop me?
Work.
Uh-oh.
Now I can hit you.
Ah!
Time to go back to jail, Mudman. Man, I just washed this suit. He said he got an upgrade. That means someone's creating supervillains, and they're using criminals as test subjects. I need to know how and where he got his power.